Welcome once again to Educate Africa with me, Dr. Sanele Kabede. It's a great honor to know that you are part of this family. Please tell us who invited you to this family and tell us where did you hear about us. It is such an honor to always hear and read your feedback. Please make sure that you go through. There's a series that we just finished. I'm just inviting you to indulge yourself into that series. It has got 10 episodes. It's quite informative, especially if you are studying. But today, I just want us to look into what does it mean to be young. As you are aware, I am South African. I am in South Africa as much as this podcast is Educate Africa. So it's for Africans and anyone who's African anywhere they are. But I want to touch on the issue of what it means to be young, particularly because in South Africa, when it is June, we celebrate young people. We even have a special day called June 16, where we celebrate many young people. We celebrate being young. We celebrate the young people of 1976. Please go and read that history. I'm not going to touch on it, but my episode today is based on what it means to be a young person because we are in Youth Month. So there is quite a lot that is said and that you could say about what it means to be a young person. And I want to acknowledge that what it means to be a young person is also objective, subjective, and it's also individually. So I can't say this is what in general or specifically say this is what it means to be a young person. For every young person, it differs from where you are, who you are, where you grew up. But I want to just make you aware of what it means to be young, since you are probably young or you have a young person that you live with, that you know who you are going to share this episode with. Let's get started. So being young means you have got energy. As you can see me in all my episodes, I make sure that I bring the energy. Everywhere I go, I bring the energy because I'm young. And as a young person, you are expected to be energetic. You are expected to bring full energy in whatever that you do, in everything that you are involved in. As a young person, you can't be dragging your feet. In every opportunity that you get, as a young person, you need to show that you are young, you are energetic, your body still functions differently from someone who is probably 65 years old. So being a young person means you need to be alive. You need to show that you are alive. You need to act and in everything that you do, you need to be alive. I don't know what to say to emphasize what do I mean when I say you need to have energy. You need to be alive. I'm not saying shout. I'm not saying run around like a headless chicken, but I'm saying you must have energy. Whether you are at school, whether you are part of an organization, whether you are part of a church, whether you are working for a certain company, in anything, bring some energy. Number two, if you are counting, to be a young person, you must be educated. And I know that when we speak about education, we think of the formal education, going to tertiary. It's not only that. I'm talking about being educated. Educated means you are aware of things that are happening. You know things. You read. You study. You go to tertiary. You have skills. In everything that you do, you show that you are educated. I want you to go and get education. One of the reasons why I want you to be educated as a young person is because you still have the energy that I spoke about. You still at an age where you don't have these baggages. You still don't have all of these responsibilities that I have at the moment. You probably don't have kids. You don't have bills to pay. Your mind is clear. Your mind can focus. Trust me. Ask people who are studying and working and raising kids and running businesses and running churches and all of that. They will tell you how difficult it is and how much they wish they could have studied when they were still young. So being young means you will get educated at a very young age. And let's go and get educated. Being young means grabbing opportunities while you still can. I have a problem with a young person who doesn't want to take opportunities serious, and a young person who can't look for opportunities, a young person who can't identify opportunities. You know, when you get a little bit older, not that I am old, you do get so many distractions. You think about your kids, you think about your extended family, you think about your in-laws, you think about your cousins and so many other things, work and stuff like that, responsibilities, paying bills and all of that. You think about all of those things because you are a little bit grown up. But when you are young, you don't have all of those things. You can identify opportunities. And I want us as young people to go for opportunities, identify opportunities, take opportunities with both hands and run with them. To be young, it means you need to make sure that you understand your identity. Being a young person, it means you are at an age where you build your identity, you build yourself, you understand who you are, you understand what you want, and you are building yourself because it is hard to build yourself while now you are with someone. For example, you are married, but when you are still a young person, carefree, that's what you guys normally say, you are able to build yourself. So personal development is one of the key things that as a young person you must focus on. You must focus on building yourself, nurturing yourself, building your identity, understanding who you are, getting clear of what is your purpose on earth and what is your future plans and all of that. Work on that. I know it might not be clear, it might be fuzzy a little bit, but when you are young, it is time to work on those things. And I want to make sure that I emphasize this. Being a young person means you have to be respectful. You have to respect. I'm not saying when you are older, you are not going to be respectful, but I want you to build your character. Be respectful as a young person. Learn to respect people. Learn to respect things. Learn to respect things such as money. Understand where those things come from. Be respectful as a young person. So, as I said, there are many things that I can define or that I can bring in when I'm defining what it means to be a young person. But one of the things that I won't leave out is hardworking. Being young means you need to start working hard. You have the energy. I remember I used to work 5 jobs. I used to do that, be involved in that, be part of this and that. I was still young. I still had the energy. I didn't have 2 kids at the time. And I worked very hard for money. So this is the time as a young person to work very hard. This is not the time where you will just want to wake up with $1 million. It's not going to happen like that. As a young person, you must understand that money comes through working. I know you will argue that, oh, suddenly we are working smart than working hard these days. I don't really care about how you work, but I want you to understand that being young means you need to start building towards your future. You don't build your future at the age of 48, 55. You start at a young age, work, save some money, invest, build whatever that you want to build. This is a time where you can be creative. I think I needed to add that as well. This is the time where you play with your mind. You are as creative as you can, and you make sure that you invest in your creativity, because I mean you can make mistakes when you are young. I know these days life tends to punish us quite a lot as young people when we make mistakes. Gone are those days where you could just make mistakes and life will go on. But it's not as bad as a 55-year-old making a mistake. There is probably no coming back for an older person compared to a younger person. So I want you to be comfortable with trying things, doing things, failing and failing forward, making sure that you dream big. We are not going to charge you when you dream insanely because you are a young person. Imagine if I had a 55-year-old dreaming to build 10 companies. I mean, as much as it's possible, but I'm saying it might be a little bit worrying. With where are you going to get the time unless that person has money to do that, which means they've invested, worked at a young age. So this is time for you to work very hard, to build, to invest. I'm mentioning quite a number of things, hoping that you are going to pick some of these things and also add what it means to be young for you. Because I can say what it means to be a young person for me, and I'm not you. So I want you to look around. I want you to look around, look at yourself, especially if you are young. And I know we have the older generation like myself, which is not old and not young, which is still considering themselves as young. You are more than welcome to join us as well and look at yourself. What is it that it means to be a young person for me? And the most important part, I know I've said the most important part a number of times, to be a young person means you need to give. It's easy when you are young to give because, as I said, you don't have those responsibilities. You don't have people that are crying for you. But I know these days there are young people who are breadwinners. But I'm saying when you are young, it's easy to give your time, to give your energy, to give your invest in thinking with people, brainstorming with people, building some things. I want us to be young people who are willing to not just look up to ourselves or look each for number one, but I want you to be able to help other people around you. That's what it means to be young. So there are many things that means to be young, as I said, but I didn't want to go to AI and ask this. I wanted to just speak from the heart, and I want you to drop on the comment section what it means to be young for you, what it means that you are young. And I want you to start exercising that from the way you talk, from the way you walk, from the way you do things. I want you to show that you are young. But the most important thing that I don't want you to do just because you are young is to act naive and act stupid. And I'm sorry to use the word stupid. Please don't be naive, don't be stupid, and don't be careless just because you are young. These things are not, you are going to have a serious problem if you're going to just carelessly make mistakes just because you know you are young. So that's all from me, and happy Youth Month to every young person in South Africa who's celebrating this month. And to every young person, I want you to remember that it is possible because it's doable. Whatever that you dream, I want you to go big, and may God bless you as you continue to dream. And those that are in Rustenburg, in Durban, in Cape Town, in Johannesburg, we are coming to you as the Finding Work and Business Opportunities Seminar Tour. We look forward to seeing you, and God bless you.